Hello everyone, today in this session we'll learn how to install Jenkins in Windows and other operating system. First of all, you need to download JDK from Oracle like version 8 or higher. If you want to learn how to download JDK 21, you can watch my full video attaching in description box. Now you can check compatibility of Java version with Jenkins here. Like if you are using Java 17 or Java 21, you can use this particular version. Otherwise, you can just check according to your JDK compatibility. Second, now you have to download and install Jenkins. So you can download and install Jenkins from jenkins.io, the official website of Jenkins. Now you can see there are two options: stable, long-term support, and weekly releases. Weekly releases are for those who already have Jenkins. So we have to focus on long-term support. Under long-term support, there are two options to download Jenkins. First, generic Java package.var file, and another according to your operating system like Windows and macOS. So here we'll download generic Java package.var file. So simply click on it and you can see generic.var is started downloading. It will take some time. So I have downloaded jenkins.var file and navigated to a folder named Jenkins. So you have to open command prompt. So I am opening command prompt. Yes. Now here you have to type simply Java space -jar space jenkins.var. So here you can see, after scrolling down, you can see password Jenkins initial setup is required, an admin user has been created and a password generated. So you have to copy this password because we need this again. So now you can close the command prompt and click the link localhost 8080. So remember, I have copied the password. I have to paste it here and then continue. Now we have to select plugins to install. You can see there are two options: install suggested plugins and select plugins to install. So you have to install suggested plugins. It will take some minutes, so you can wait. So here it is about to complete. So it is completed, and now we have the window create first admin user. You have to create admin user, so you can select your username, but remember, username should be in alphanumerical letters and should not contain special letters. So yes, create a strong password. Confirm password, your full name, your email address, and save and continue. Instance configuration Jenkins URL http localhost 8080, save and finish. Your Jenkins is ready. Your Jenkins is setup is complete. Start using Jenkins. Welcome to Jenkins. So here you can create new item. You can build history of Jenkins. You can manage Jenkins like system configure, global settings and paths, plugins, tools, install as Windows service, nodes, appearance, So here's we have installed the Jenkins. Hope you like it. Thank you.